Doctors miss these early signs of liver stress, why your body whispers long before it breaks. The organ that suffers in silence. The liver is one of the most vital and resilient organs in the human body, yet it is also one of the most misunderstood. Every minute, your liver filters toxins from the blood, regulates blood sugar, stores nutrients, produces bile for digestion, and manages hundreds of chemical reactions that keep you alive. Scientists estimate that the liver performs more than 500 essential functions, more than almost any other organ. And still, when the liver begins to struggle, it rarely sends loud warnings. Most people assume that serious liver problems come with obvious pain, dramatic symptoms, or sudden illness. But that is not how liver stress begins. In reality, the liver whispers before it screams. It sends subtle signals that are easy to ignore, easy to misinterpret, and often dismissed as aging, stress, or fatigue. Many of these early signs never make it into routine doctor visits because standard tests are designed to detect damage, not early stress. Today we're going to talk about those quiet signals, the early signs of liver stress that are often missed. And we will explore a simple, overlooked daily habit that may support liver function from the inside out. Lemon peel water, not lemon juice, but the peel itself. Why liver stress is often missed by doctors. Modern medicine is excellent at diagnosing advanced disease, but it is not always designed to detect early functional strain. Most routine liver blood tests, such as ALT-AST and bilirubin, only rise when liver cells are already damaged. By the time these numbers move outside the normal range, stress has often been present for years. Another reason liver stress is missed is that the liver has very few pain receptors. Unlike the stomach or joints, it does not hurt easily. Instead of pain, the liver communicates through indirect signs. Changes in digestion, energy levels, skin, sleep, hormones, and even mood. These symptoms are often scattered across different systems, making it hard to connect them back to one organ. To make matters worse, the liver is incredibly adaptable. It will keep working under pressure, compensating quietly, until it simply cannot keep up anymore. That is why conditions like fatty liver disease can progress silently for a decade or more without obvious symptoms. Early sign 1. Persistent fatigue that rest does not fix. One of the earliest and most common signs of liver stress is ongoing fatigue that does not improve with sleep. This is not the normal tiredness that comes after a busy day. It is a deep, heavy exhaustion that feels cellular, as if your body's energy production itself is off. The liver plays a central role in energy metabolism. It stores glucose as glycogen and releases it steadily to maintain stable blood sugar. When the liver is under stress, this balance becomes inefficient. Blood sugar may fluctuate more than usual, leading to energy crashes, mental fog, and a constant feeling of low stamina. Many people blame this fatigue on age, work stress, or poor sleep, never realizing that their liver may be struggling to manage energy at a metabolic level. Early sign 2. Digestive changes and bloating after meals. Another early signal often overlooked is digestive discomfort, especially bloating or heaviness after eating, even when meals are not large or greasy. The liver produces bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. When bile production or flow becomes sluggish, digestion suffers. Food may sit longer in the stomach and intestines, leading to bloating, gas, nausea, or a feeling of fullness that lingers for hours. Over time, poor bile flow can also disrupt gut bacteria balance, further increasing inflammation and digestive stress. These symptoms are frequently attributed to acid reflux, food intolerance, or aging digestion, but the root cause may be liver stress affecting bile dynamics. Early sign 3. Skin changes that seem unrelated. Your skin often reflects what is happening inside your body, and the liver is no exception. Early liver stress can show up as dull skin tone, unexplained itchiness, increased sensitivity, or mild yellowish undertones that are subtle enough to go unnoticed. The liver helps process hormones, toxins, and waste products that would otherwise circulate in the bloodstream. When this process slows, these substances may affect the skin. Histamine levels may rise, contributing to itching or irritation. Pigment regulation may change, affecting skin clarity. Because these changes are gradual, many people attribute them to aging, dry weather, or skincare issues rather than internal detoxification pathways. Early sign 4. Sleep disturbances and night waking. Sleep problems are another early but commonly missed sign of liver stress. Difficulty falling asleep, frequent night waking, or waking between 1 and 3 in the morning may be linked to metabolic and detox processes that occur during the night. The liver is most active during sleep, especially in detoxification and repair. If the liver is overloaded, these processes may interfere with stable sleep patterns. Blood sugar dips, stress hormones rise, and the nervous system remains on alert. Instead of deep, restorative sleep, the body stays in a light, fragmented state. Over time, this worsens fatigue, increases inflammation, and further strains liver function. Early sign 5. Increased sensitivity to alcohol, caffeine, or medications. Many people notice that as they get older, their tolerance for alcohol or caffeine decreases. While this can be part of normal aging, it can also be an early indicator of liver stress. The liver metabolizes alcohol, caffeine, and many medications. When liver enzymes are overworked or detox pathways slow down, these substances stay in the body longer, intensifying their effects. A single cup of coffee may cause jitters. A small amount of alcohol may lead to headaches or nausea. Medications may cause stronger side effects than before. These reactions are often ignored or accepted as normal changes, but they may be early warnings that the liver is struggling to process chemical load efficiently. The overlooked role of lemon peel, not lemon juice. When people think of lemons for health, they almost always think of lemon juice. But nutritionally and biologically, the lemon peel is where much of the power lies. Lemon peel contains high concentrations of flavonoids such as hesperidin, diosmin, and eriocitrin. These compounds have been studied for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and liver protective properties. Lemon peel is also rich in D-limonene, a compound shown to support detox enzymes in the liver and reduce oxidative stress. Unlike lemon juice, which is acidic and can irritate sensitive stomachs or enamel when overused, lemon peel water delivers these compounds in a gentler, slower way. The peel's fiber and phytochemicals work together to support bile flow and antioxidant defense without spiking acidity. How lemon peel water supports liver function. When lemon peel is steeped in warm water, its bioactive compounds slowly infuse into the liquid. These compounds support phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification pathways in the liver, which are responsible for neutralizing toxins and making them water-soluble for elimination. Lemon peel flavonoids help reduce oxidative stress in liver cells, protecting them from damage caused by excess fat, sugar, alcohol, and environmental toxins. They also support healthy cholesterol metabolism, which is closely tied to bile production and liver health. Additionally, the gentle stimulation of bile flow helps improve digestion and reduce the feeling of heaviness after meals. Over time, this can support better nutrient absorption and gut balance, reducing the inflammatory burden on the liver. Why consistency matters more than intensity. One of the biggest mistakes people make with health remedies is chasing intensity instead of consistency. The liver does not respond well to extremes. Harsh detoxes, aggressive cleanses, and excessive acidity can actually increase stress rather than relieve it. Lemon peel water works not because it forces detox, but because it supports the liver's natural rhythm. Small, daily support signals the liver to function more efficiently without overwhelming it. Over weeks and months, these small inputs can add up to meaningful improvements in energy, digestion, and metabolic balance. This is especially important after the age of 40, when detox capacity naturally declines and oxidative stress increases. Who should be cautious? While lemon peel water is gentle for most people, it is not for everyone. Those with citrus allergies, severe acid sensitivity, or gallbladder conditions should consult a healthcare professional before adding it to their routine. It is also important to use organic lemons, as the peel can carry pesticide residues if not sourced carefully. The goal is support, not strain. The body should feel calmer, not overstimulated. The bigger picture. Listening before damage occurs. The most important message to take from this discussion is not about lemon peel water alone. It is about learning to listen to early signals before they turn into irreversible damage. Liver disease rarely begins suddenly. It develops quietly, through years of metabolic overload, inflammation, and ignored symptoms. By the time conventional tests detect a problem, the window for easy reversal may already be closing. Supporting liver health early is not about fear. It is about respect for the body's intelligence. When fatigue lingers, digestion changes, skin reacts, sleep suffers, or tolerance shifts, these are not random events. They are communication. Conclusion. Small daily choices shape long-term health. Your liver works tirelessly without complaint every single day. It does not ask for much in return, only that it not be overwhelmed constantly. Simple, supportive habits can make a meaningful difference over time. Lemon peel water is not a cure, and it is not a miracle. But it is an example of how nature often hides powerful support in overlooked places. Not in extremes, but in consistency. Not in loud promises, but in quiet balance. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, take that awareness with you. Listen earlier, support sooner. And remember, health rarely collapses overnight. Changes slowly, and that means we have time to change with it.